The call to use arrayed lands for agricultural purposes presents several legal and regulatory considerations. Legal framework: number one, land ownership and use rights. Land reforms in Pakistan, particularly those from 1970s, aim to redistribute land to reduce inequality. However, many arrayed lands remain unclear ownership and users' rights. Legal clarity: clear legal frameworks are needed to define ownership and usage rights for these lands to attract investment. Environmental regulations: sustainable practice. Any agricultural development must comply with environmental regulation to prevent degradation. This includes law on water usage, soil conservation, and biodiversity protection. Impacts assessment: environmental impact assessment could be mandatory for large scale agriculture projects. Migrate adverse effects. Investment laws: foreign investment. Pakistan investment laws needed to be conducive with attracting both domestic and foreign investors, include offering initiative and ensuring legal protection for investment. Public-private partnership: legal framework for public-private partnership can be facilitated the development of the infrastructure and technology needed for the arid land agriculture. Policy implementations: agricultural policies, subsidies, and support policy should be provided to the farmers to cultivate these lands. This includes access to credit, seeds, and technology. Research and development investment should be done so these lands can be properly used. Trade policies, export initiatives to elevate exports policy should be offer initiative for exporting agricultural products, including tax breaks and reduced tariffs. Quality standards: establishing and enforcing quality standards for agriculture products can help in assessing international market challenges and the considerations. Water security: legal frameworks must be promote sufficient irrigation method to address water issues. Water rights: clear water rights and usage regulations are essential to prevent the conflict, ensure sustainable water use. Land degradation: soil convention law should be mandatory to made for soil to for proper use. Rehabilitation programs: legal provision for land rehabilitation programs can be great helpful. Legal framework should ensure the legal communities to involved in decision making process to benefit from the land development. Displacement and compensation laws must be addressed so that if there is some kind of displacement, the communities should be given legal protection. By addressing these legal and regulatory aspects, Pakistan can sufficiently use these lands for the agriculture and boost its economical growth.